When organizing your kitchen or pantry, the Rubbermaid Brilliance 20-piece storage set is a true game changer. Imagine your pantry transformed, a symphony of order where every ingredient has its place. This set is a clear window into your food supply, and it keeps everything fresh. It includes 10 containers and 10 matching lids. Also, handy scoops are included. These containers are BPA-free, which means they are safe. They are also airtight, a seal like a vault. This prevents spills and leaks, so your food stays secure. Furthermore, the stackable design saves space. Your shelves will thank you. In essence, it's a smart investment for any home cook. This Rubbermaid Brilliance 20-piece storage set makes organization a breeze. This Rubbermaid Brilliance 20-piece storage set offers many practical features. First, the clear design is fantastic. You can easily see what's inside. No more guessing games. Moreover, the lids fit snugly. They create a strong seal. This keeps air out and freshness in. Consequently, your dry goods stay crisp. Your leftovers stay delicious longer. The containers are also very durable. They resist stains and odors. Therefore, they always look new. Even better, they are safe for the microwave and dishwasher. This makes reheating and cleanup simple. So, food preparation becomes less of a chore. Overall, these containers are built to last. They handle daily use with ease. Finally, consider the versatility of the Rubbermaid Brilliance 20-piece storage set. It's not just for dry goods. Use them for snacks, fruits, or even craft supplies. The scoops are a thoughtful addition. They make portioning ingredients easy. Thus, baking becomes more precise. Plus, the uniform look brings harmony. Your pantry will look neat and tidy. Furthermore, finding what you need is quick. This saves precious time. It's a perfect solution for busy households. Ultimately, this set brings peace to your kitchen. It transforms clutter into calm. Indeed, it's a small step for a big impact. Pros: super good quality, open easily, locking lids, good quality plastic, tight seals, various sizes work for multitude of things, BPA-free plastic, dishwasher and freezer safe, microwave safe, lids seal tightly with a suction-like closure, don't stain, reliable, durable, and easy to clean, very tight fit to lids, airtight, durable, leak-proof, easy to open, good design, made in USA, stack nicely and fit on shelves. Cons: spaghetti container is misleading, too short for spaghetti, false advertisement, had to break. Spaghetti container is too short. Features: BPA-free material, airtight seal, includes lids, set of 20 pieces, comes with scoops, ideal for kitchen organization, great for pantry organization, clear container design, stackable for easy storage, durable construction. These Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are great for keeping your food fresh. They're BPA-free, so they're safe for your food. Each container has an airtight lid to keep things from spilling and to keep air out. You get a set of 20, and they even come with scoops. They're perfect for organizing your kitchen and pantry because you can see what's inside and they stack easily. These containers are also durable, so they should last a long time. The Rubbermaid Brilliance 20-piece food storage set is a great choice for keeping your kitchen organized. These containers are made from strong, BPA-free plastic that won't stain, and they're safe to use in the dishwasher, freezer, and microwave. The lids are easy to open and close, forming a super tight, leak-proof seal that keeps your food fresh. While the set offers various useful sizes and stacks neatly, be aware that the container advertised for spaghetti is too short, meaning you'll have to break your spaghetti to fit it inside.